Hello everyone, this is Rashmi Sinha and you are on my channel. So here I am back with my another training video which is based on Diksha application, which is digital learning platform and digital infrastructure for knowledge sharing. We call it Diksha. This is started by all the state government of India on 10th July 2020 for the more training purpose for teachers, students both. So this course, or you can say this digital platform, is too suitable for all the teachers who are teaching children in online platforms, which is very difficult. So they provide not only the content but also classroom resources, assessment aids, news and announcements, and how to connect to the other teachers. So it's a community of teacher also. It's fully free app. Both students and teachers can use, and student can also utilize it to revise their syllabus and the lessons, and as well as to practice. So in today's video I am going to cover few things like how to download it, then how to register, and then update your profile. And not only this, about Nishtha also, that because the many schools are providing the Nishtha, which is the NCERT course. So that also I'm going to help you on how do you get the certificate also. Till that I'm going to cover in this video. So do not forget to watch my full video. And before that, please subscribe, share and like it. Thank you for doing. So let's start. So I'll take you to the process. See, this is the Diksha app which you have to collect from. We will discuss about downloading Diksha, then how to use this app, and then complete information about it. Okay, so first you have to go to the Play Store and type Diksha application platform. You will simply get a Diksha ID, or you can say an icon like this, which you can see on my screen. Just install it. After installation, you just open it. When you open, this kind of platform will come where you have to choose the language. You can see there are so many regional languages also, but we prefer mostly Hindi or English. So I am choosing English. After that, you continue and choose, are you a teacher or a student or someone else like an organization. After selection of teaching, because I am a teacher, I have to select the board. So you can see there are lots of state boards given in the Diksha platform, but as I am ICSE boards, so I am choosing the ICSE one. After selection, I have to submit it. Now my board is selected. I have to choose the medium. You have to submit your medium. Suppose it's an English, Hindi, Urdu or some other, Marathi I guess. Then you have to select the classes whichever you are teaching. It may be 1, 2 or more than that. So I am selecting few classes where I find myself, okay, and continue. After doing this, you have to select your own state and district. So suppose I am teacher of Delhi, so I am selecting Delhi, and my district is New Delhi itself. So after that, I will select the New Delhi option. According to your own state, you can select. This is totally up to you. After doing this, you have to submit it. After submission, you will reach to the Diksha application, and almost you have done. But now here, right corner, down corner, you will get a profile option. You go there and click. Here guest is showing because my name and complete information is not there. So I will click on the pen option, which is just near to the guest. And now I'll reach here where I'm writing my other details, like it's a false one. It's not me. Just I'm showing you as an example. Suppose I've written Shivani Priya, some candidate name, and the rest of the information I am filling. After that, I'll select my subject, which is also so many. I have selected computer and saved it. Now you can see my name, which I have filled, and the details already showing on the screen. Now my major process start. I have to register. I have to click on register. When I click on login, this option will come, and here I have to fill my phone number. Do not fill email ID. Better to fill your phone number because they will provide you OTP and the password, whichever you wanted to. Prepare a password and just write it. After doing this, you will get an OTP and now register. When we click on register, you will immediately get a message from Diksha that you are registered over there. See, this kind of screen will come where you have to fill some more details. It's not showing here because mine is already registered, so it's not showing. All are white, but yours will be not white. You have to fill your email and password and then confirm password with the date of birth. After doing all, I have got this screen where I have registered and logged in also. So now I have to go to the course. Okay, and for this I will see the 4 option down where library, course, and then downloads, and one is profile. So I will click on course because I have to, when you finish, see, I have started the course. When I start the course, which I have chosen, the course of Nishtha. For Nishtha course, you have to simply click, this is the Nishtha course running, which I have selected. For Nishtha course, you have to click on innovative one. See this one, yes. Yeah, curriculum and inclusive classroom. This is the Nishtha one. You have to click there. It is showing 22% completed. That means I have already used some of the modules of Nishtha. So my program is partially done and I have to do few more modules. They provide some videos. Sometimes like this, the video will come. When you click one by one, they automatically provide you some videos. When you finish the video watching, they provide you the transcript of that video. When you finish that also, then they will provide you the downloads option. Like this, the transcripts will come. And last but not the least, it's very interesting actually. Some stories are there, some council information are there like this. See, when one by one my module is completing, so this screen is coming. Inclusive classroom screens are coming like this. After that, I have watched almost 3 to 4 videos and some modules. When I finish all those, they provide me transcript, which is also like this. The video will come where the faculty comes and they teach, and sometimes they tell stories or sometimes they inform you about the, see, mine is done. You have successfully completed the course. My all modules are done and see all the ticks I got. If you wanted to check it in your screen, you only need to do one thing. See, the certificate came, certificate of completion of my name. I have got immediately after finishing the course, which is almost of 59 minutes, I guess. And by this, we have completed this course. So hope you get it. Thank you for watching.